Hey guys, so welcome to Comfycozyup. So today I'm outside. I'm enjoying this nice weather. It's been sunny all weekend and the weather been nice and warm, and I'm going to soak it up and enjoy it. So I'm in the backyard and I am just having a good time reading and doing some blog work as well. So if you haven't checked out my blog, go ahead and check it out. I went to a vineyard recently and I loved it, so I did a blog post on it. Go ahead and check it out. And I read 2 books this week that I really enjoyed, and I'm currently reading Bane. So I picked Bane back up because initially when I started reading Bane it was too heavy for me, so I put it back down. So I did pick it up back again and I am going to read it. It's probably going to make me a little cry. You know, I'm gonna cry a little because it just seemed like that kind of romance novel. It is the 5th book in the Sinners of Saints series, and this is a spin-off, but it is part of the series. So you don't have to read the other 4 books, but I do recommend you read them because he showed up in the 4th book. So yeah, that's where I'm at with this. And the question I have is, what is one of your favorite classic novel? But it has to be a classic novel that came out at least 100 years ago. Because it's my goal every year to read 1 classic novel, and so far I haven't read any this year, and I want to read one. I prefer if it's not one that's too long, because I just do not want to spend my time on a 1,000-page book. Just not doing it. So, you know, anything that's at least maximum 500 pages or less is my thing. I don't care what genre. It could be something, you know, crime and thriller, could be a little scary, mystery, romance, all of that. So leave one of the books that you've read that's a classic and you loved. Leave a recommendation in the comment section and I will see what's, you know, available. So far I know a lot of people do not read classics, so you know, this is not, I haven't had a good experience yet. I've had a few recommendations, but not a lot, because a lot of people don't read classics. So anyway, I'm trying my luck here. Maybe you guys can give me some pointers. Leave it in the comment section. And that's it. Have a good day. Bye.